we're staying here in Hanoi. That means we have to book a hotel, and that means hotel room tour. We are at Golden Moon Hotel here in Hanoi in Old Quarters area. And here is my room. As you entered, ito na agad ang bubungad. There's my table. I can finally work my ass. Okay, may TV tayo. Everything on the table daw is free. And I noticed here in Vietnam, ito yung free nila. Tapos, yeah, we have 2 bottled water. May pangpainit tayo. Ayan, Golden Moon Suite Hotel pala. I'm sorry. Okay, so ayan. Dito, may isang kami na malaki. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Tapos, ano dito? Okay, di ganito pala. Hindi pala sliding. Yan, may safety box. Wait. Yan. Yan. Wait. Yan. So, you can store your luggages here. Hang your clothes. And then, meron pa dito ibabaw. Tapos, may salamin ka pa. Kita ang bed. If you know what I mean. Tapos, sa bintana, sadly, wala akong masyadong view, kundi ito lang. Pero, yeah. And then, ito yung bed. Wow. And then, clean and disinfect. What? So, ito may sila, hot and cold. She just turned on the hot water na. So, turn on nila daw, ganun lang daw. Then, mga 5 to 15 minutes, if I remember it right. So, ayan, may sila, shampoo, conditioner. Ayan, at alam niyo na, mga Pilipino, gamit tayo ng sarili natin na gamit, pero uwi natin yan. Pero, hindi ko ito iuwi, Siguro yan ang gagawin kasi bango-bango. Plus points that they have a cup here. Kasi minsan yung hotel na kakalimutan nila. Plus points na may extra toilet paper. And then dito, shower. Ang ganda ng shower nila. Love it. Yan. Actually, type ko ganyan na shower. Kasi pag ganyan, okay din. Pero, gusto ko yung dalawang set talaga. And of course, towel, hair blower, meron din. Ayan. At saka, my favorite, bidet. I can't live without bidet anymore. Ayan. Okay. So, dito natin ipi-plug yung hair blower. And then, ang view mo, of course, I didn't expect na ganito siya. Pero okay naman, kasi ako lang mag-isa. Sino naman? Wala akong audience. So, yeah, sa mga may jowa, alam niyo na, aray ko, kayo na bahala sa buhay niyo. Bed. Okay, let's check the pillow. 2 small pillows, plus points. Kasi, for in between the legs, for hugging. Uy, maganda. Fluffy. Okay. Kasi yung ibang hotel, masyadong flat yung sa sapa yung hotel ko. Masyadong flat yung pillow. So, what I did is, may ganito na isa, pinatong kong ganyan. Yan. So, anything you take from here, the mini bar, is you have to pay for. Okay? And then, may drawer. Dito pala. Yan, may drawer. Lagyan ka. Malinis naman. So far, malinis. Fresh flower to. Ito flower to. Ay, plastic. Akala ko to. I got this room for January 5, which is today, until January 8. Check out ako. Kasi, lipad na tayo. Aalis na tayo ng Vietnam. And then, for the price of 3 million something, tapos very open sila sa payment system kasi akala ko, kasi ang plano ko initially is just to pay via GCash, yung card. Then sabi niya, may like 3% more additional charge kasi nga yung pag ganun pala, kagaya sa bag ko, luggage, yung binili ko kanina, ayun, may additional charge. So, instead of, like, 900 lang siya, na is 928 ang nabayaran ko dahil sa additional charge ng bangko for the process. So, same thing ang mangyayari if via card, via GCash card ko babayaran. So, sabi ko, I have 2 million here with me. Pwede bang later na lang ang remaining 1 million something? Vietnamese dong. Huwag kayong shock. Vietnamese dong. So, umayag naman siya. And lalabas ako mamaya. Malapit lang naman mga ATM dito. Tapos mag-withdraw ako din. Babayaran ko siya. Gusto ko bayaran agad kasi nag-shopping kasi alam niyo na. So, gusto ko bayaran ko na para wala na akong problema later. So, ayun. Yeah, so far so good. I'll show you later the breakfast area up above. And the breakfast nila 7 to 9 a.m. I am not sure if I will be able to eat here for the first tomorrow and the next day after kasi may tour ako. Parang 7 a.m. ata kami kukunin. So, ayun. Yun ang problema. So, baka sa 8 na ako makapakita sa inyo ng breakfast nila. Pakita ko pala sa inyo mamaya kung paano siya locate. Kasi kanina, I was like, bakit dito ako dinrap off ng driver, ng taxi? Hindi ko makita yung Golden Moon. Tapos yung pangalan Golden Moon. Tapos, walang sign. Diba? Dapat proud ka kasi golden. So, turns out, may maliit sa besides district, may maliit na sign. Tapos, yung entrada mismo ng hotel is nasa gilid pala. Ayun. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo sa mamaya para malaman nyo. Ayun pala sa eskinita. So, other entrance din. Kung ito ang na-design niya na, i-book, at least may idea kayo. So, ayan. Medyo, for me, pricey siya, guys. Kasi, you can book a cheaper hotel. Pero in terms of reviews, dito sa hotel na to, malinis. Ang talagang malinis. Mabango, guys. Yung linis na mabango, yung ganun. Pero, parang fresh. Ganun ang bango ng room. Hindi siya yung bangong Zone Rocks, yung hindi ganun. Bangong malinis na, amoy dalaga. Ganun. Yeah. Nabasa ko kasi mga reviews, maganda yung reviews dito. So far, I can recommend this hotel. And if you want to book this hotel, I'll put the link down below. But again, you can find cheaper hotels, pero you have to dig in sa mga reviews kasi may mga issues like smell, noises, sa road noises, hindi sila makatulog kasi may party, may mga dadaanan ng mga sasakyan. So be careful with that. If hindi kayo heavy sleeper or dali kayo magising sa mga ingay, then be careful of those issues that other people said. Okay? So far, narinig ko yung beep beep pero hindi pakinggan niya. Wait, let me stay quiet. Narinig yung engine. Konti lang. Hindi siya nakakagising. Somebody beep beep please. Ay, narinig niyo? May nag-beep beep. So, okay naman, hindi siya nakakagising na beep beep. So, ayun. Ay, ginulo ko na. Magbi-b-roll pa ako. Sorry. Balik muna. Wala, hindi pa ako nag-b-roll. Shot. Maganda pa naman ang pagka-arrange nila. Sisirain ko lang. Okay. Oh, ayun na, may nag-beep-beep ulit. Narinig nyo? Kung hindi, then. So far, I can recommend this hotel and I'll update you on the breakfast day since the breakfast day is the last day na andito ako. So, I'll update you if there are any other issues. Okay? To the breakfast day.
2 club sandwiches. One for me, one for my girlfriend.
2
Club sandwiches.
club sandwich. May I have your number room? rubber sister gets his milkshake.
Without my card. Without my card.
Pink cup, coffee and the rest